while logging into your Facebook account, if you are seeing that your account has been disabled or suspended, let's see the 2026 updated way how to recover your Facebook account once again. So first of all, right from this section, just tap on Appeal. And first, you're going to put down your email address. It could be the one that's synced to your account or any valid email address. Press Next. It'll send a code. Check your mail and put down your code right in here to verify yourself. Press Next. Now, our account was suspended for age issues, so yours might have suspended for another reason. All you gotta do is just to verify yourself, whether you can take a selfie or record yourself, and then you can verify yourself through any of these IDs that's listed in here. It could be your social security, driver's license, name change paper, your state ID card, passport, tax identification ID, whatever is listed in here. Just select the way that you want to verify yourself. And then if you got that document somewhere that's accessible from this device, you'll have to attach those and then just hit submit. And then it'll show that they are reviewing your account. Just hit finish and you gotta just wait patiently. Now, if your account has been suspended for a while, you didn't get this section, there is another way to appeal to recover it. For that, open any browser and then search for Facebook account disabled or suspended. Now scroll through this section and you gotta enter a valid help center link relating to account suspension problem. There will be some recommendations to solve this problem. Just scroll down in here and under was this helpful, just select no. And then select the solution does not work and hit select. Now there will be a space open for you to write down your exact problem in 500 words. Just make sure you're appealing within 180 days of suspending your account. You can write anything you want as direct as possible, like hello Facebook team, I need to recover my Facebook account as it was disabled for the last. You're gonna state how many days by mistake, and then you're gonna mention that you didn't do anything that violates the community guidelines, and you can end with please reactivate my account. Or you can write remove the suspension, whatever is comfortable to you. And then you're gonna post some account information like your email, phone number, and your username of that specific Facebook account. After writing it down, just carefully review it once more and then just hit submit. And that's pretty much what you can do when your account is disabled by Facebook. And hopefully after reviewing, if Facebook finds everything is okay, they might recover your account. Thanks for watching.